So this is the Cape Town train station, or Cape Town station. This is where all the buses, taxis, and trains meet up and bring people and take people all over SA locally. I never seen the trains. They say the trains are pretty dangerous, but I don't know. We going right now. We're gonna go check out my homie. He got some seeds for me to bring the beat back, cause my hair be falling out. So we gonna see. But hope y'all enjoy what's going on out here. Check it out. Just some of the sights. So I gotta get it popping up here right now, you know? Yeah. It's dead up in here though, for real. It's really dead. It's Easter, so ain't nobody gotta work. That's all usually people who work in the city, they catch the train or the bus, and they don't really be packed in here, they be packed outside. So we'll see. I love looking at the mountain. It's so beautiful. And it was a rough hike to get up there. Make sure y'all check out that tabletop mountain video I got going on. It's good too. What's up, boss? It's nice out today. Glad it ain't windy. You know? Let's see what we got going on. We got to check my homie out. If he open today. No, he ain't even open today. Oh yeah, they open. Yeah. What up? Push. What's the deal? You on camera today? My brother from the Congo.
Number one.
What's up, Greg?
Yeah, Mr. Tunde.
What's going on, man? You on camera today?
Easy. What's happening?
I'm about to go get the seeds right now.
Oh, from your homie?
Yeah. From my Muslim brother. Yeah. What's going down? Y'all getting them fresh?
Hello. Hey, big man. What's up, nigga?
Boom. Yeah, I'm here. Shut. Yeah. Yeah, I see you with the G-Star on. You rocking them today. I see you. Yeah, stay fresh so you don't have to get fresh. Yeah, go check the homies out. It's dead. It's dead today. Usually all these little stores be open. These is all stores. They be selling all type of this and that, knickknacks and the third. There go the homie right here. Yo.
What's up? What's going on?
What you building today, man?
Nah, I'm building that wallet, nigga. And wallet right here, man.
Assalamu
Salam, bro.
What's going down?
Hey, yeah. Hey, came in my shop today. Yeah, what's going on over there?
Another shop today. Show how you do it, man.
We're here. We're doing it. We keep doing it. We're doing wallet today. Wallet.
Okay.
You know what it is. This is the shit that we're doing, you know?
I'm going to show him the finished
Showing the one which is
this what it look like when it's finished.
Yeah. This is the shit. Look at you see it? Open up. Can put some coin over here. It's a real one in here. You coin it. Some dollars or
man, y'all don't even know nobody. Y'all don't even know nobody who make wallets, man. Come on, man. Y'all been on this earth all these years. Y'all don't even know nobody who make wallets. Come on, man.
Wallet, you put some dollars over here.
Yeah.
Look at here. You put some dollars.
Thanks.
Some cards over here. Some cards in on. It is. when he's done, it's gonna be like my one. You see, that's my one here, right
got
there.
that money up in
The
there.
same shit, the same thing. Look at it,
Get that shine going on.
feel it. It's mine.
Thing.
You know what I mean? Just different, little bit different because it's got two cards placed. This got coin and cards. You know what I mean?
Boom.
That is different. And when it comes to the dollars, they're the dollars, but yeah, don't worry about it. You say, I ain't got no dollar, I got dollar here, look at it.
He got the dollar. He got the dollar in the ring.
There's a dollar in the rain here. Yeah, we got some rain over here. You know, this is a cash over here, that's the cash. It's a 10 rand right there.
Mandela, that fella.
It got 10 rand over there, it got 20 rand, I got 20, I got 20. Oh, I got 20 again.
He got big
I
money.
got 50, I got 50, I got 50. Hey, now 50 again. Again a 50, and the 50 again, and this is a honey.
Undone.
This is a honey, bro.
The
This is a
Undone.
honey rain now. They got honey rain again here.
I ain't even never seen the 200. You really
It's
bought.
200. It's 200. Before that, 200.
They got 500?
Nah, this is the last cash.
Okay.
It's the last month. There's 200. There's 200. When you have this, you got a word. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Got a word, nigga. That's the man. That's the shit. And I got dollar too. They represent America. I got the dollar too here. They got dollar, I got $1. Yeah. I'm saying something personal over there.
Yeah, man.
Hey, man, that's the
It's a
case
lot
of the
going
house.
on. There's a lot going on.
Yeah,
There's a
yeah.
lot going on. I'll let y'all see a little something, though.
Yeah, they're gonna
We
get
out
it.
here chilling, you know. We out here chilling. Ain't nothing coming past right
You know
now.
how it is.
But we on the block, you know what I'm saying? We
In
on
the block, yeah, in
the
the
block
block.
slow right now.
Black slow right now,
Yeah,
today,
but the block slow.
some lot of them they just at home and chilling. And
Yeah, it's Easter Sunday,
it's
you
Sunday.
know. But we
So
Muslims, so we
everybody-
out here working. You know what I'm saying? The brother working, I'm working. You know what I mean? Putting these videos together.
Yeah.
See what it do? Y'all see it? Okay. Y'all see a little something coming through.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? A little something.
Yeah, big mama.
We got all sizes and flavors. You know what I'm saying? Don't be
Big
scared.
mama
You
too.
know what I mean? You like them big and chunky, we got them funky. Hey.